Hey guys, Cody here with Double C Custom Leather. Coming back to you guys with another video. I want to say sorry, I haven't recorded one in quite a while. It's been almost a year, so life just got busy and things have been busy. I've still been doing leather work, a lot of really cool things come out of the shop all the time. I wish I could show you guys more. It just takes a lot of time to sit down and film it and edit it and get it online. So today is going to be a Braggin Board video. If you haven't watched any other Braggin Board videos, essentially what it is it's a old-timey term. It comes from some old hunting and fishing shops. They used to have a Braggin Board there where you could actually put your picture up and brag about your kill or your catch. That's essentially what we do here. We just, a lot of the really fancy stuff that comes out of the shop, I like to show it off as a finished product rather than as a build. So this holster is for a Smith & Wesson M&P, so you Smith & Wesson guys should like it. It's got a exotic skin on it, so you'll see that when we turn it around. And I want to go ahead and apologize ahead of time because when you see my arms and my hands in the next shot, they're gonna have sores and stuff all over them. I have poison oak really bad right now, so if you do see that on the next shot and you get grossed out, I'm really sorry about it. And you guys stay tuned. We have a Glock 43 wet molding segment that's going to air probably right after this episode. I'm probably going to upload them simultaneously, so stay tuned for that. If you see this, go check that out. It's an inside the waistband holster with a really cool paint job on it for a Glock 43. So, and we're just doing the wet molding on it, kind of more like a tutorial. So without further ado, we'll get the camera turned around and show you guys this holster. Alright guys, so here she is. This is the holster for the Smith & Wesson M&P 45 Shield. And just gonna kind of walk you through the holster and the build and how it's laid out. This is the blue gun we use. This is a multi-mold. Quite honestly, this thing is it's kind of trash, man. I mean, it is rough. Everything's. I'm so unhappy with this mold that I ordered. I really like the Cook's gun molds, and the regular blue gun's a lot better than this. This was the only place that had it though. If you see the hole drilled in here, it's just for simple purposes of hanging it up. But the retention on this holster is great, and couldn't shake it out if I tried. And it fits great, clicks in, clicks out, and really good fit. So the holster itself, cowhide leather as the main body, taco style. It has a sweat guard here as part of the stiffener and the structural piece that integrates the belt loop onto the back. It is chocolate brown shark skin. I get a lot of orders for this because we live in Florida and sharks are kind of a big thing here. So we are surrounded by water. Rough side out on the inside. Used a black 1.0 tiger thread for all the stitching. The structural piece itself is actually 3-ounce veg tan with the shark glued, sewed, and burnished in on top. So it's actually a double piece. It's a really stiff, overbuilt holster. 2-inch belt loop. Pretty good wing. Got a good curve to it. It should ride pretty high and pretty comfortably. We've dyed this. I believe this was a Spanish brown pro dye on the main body. This came pre-dyed, so we didn't have to do anything to that. We did a show brown edge. Burnished, waxed it, and got it looking nice, smooth, almost seamless. Other than that, guys, that's the holster. You guys tell me what you think of it. Like, subscribe if you want to see more cool holster builds, and make sure to comment and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.